Hi guys, James here from James's Fishing Adventures. With me, I've got the Wedgetail roof rack. I'm going to install it on my Hilux. It's going to be awesome for transporting kayaks from one spot to the other, bit of forward driving, camping. So let's get to the installation part. Thank God I've got Dad with me to give me a hand with this. Shouldn't be too hard at all.
It's always good to get the kids out of trouble, you know, give them a hand.
All I need to do is press once.
There's no press once. It's whenever it decides it wants to snap off. Oh, far out.
Do you want me to try it?
Yeah, muscles.
There we go. That's the one. Done it in one go.
Well, you can do the rest then.
All right, now that the structural bit's done, glad I had a bit of help with Dad. Now we've got the fun bit. Let's get into it. Now we're gonna do the next one. All right, all done. Let's put the kayak on. Ready to go. Awesome with the Wedgetail roof rack, all installed. Thanks Dad for helping me out, and keen to get that on the water.